Hi, I'm Carlo Mealli, the president in charge of the Italian Crystallographic Association. Unfortunately, I cannot be in Camerino today, but I wish anyway to express my warmest welcome to all the participants of this school. This is a very important event for our association, since it well reflects its mission of diffusing crystallography at any possible level. To this purpose, the board or Consiglio di Presidenza of the AIC is assisted by a teaching commission for the educational activities. The commission in charge, formed by Antonella Guagliardi, Simona Galli, Marco Milanesio and Michele Zema, has done a wonderful job in proposing and organizing this school in a relatively short time. I am sure that in the end you will agree with me about the relevance of this event. Let me now invite you to visit our webpage. The address is crystallografia.org, and you may find in there general information about the structure of the association and its past, ongoing and future activities. An historical gallery of the persons and the achievements that are milestones of the association in its 42 years of life is also present. Recall that the AIC is member of the International Union of the Crystallography, known as IUCR, and as such it has acquired a worldwide reputation. Beside other things, I like to mention the successful organization in Florence in the year 2005 of the World Congress of Crystallography, that is a triennial event. A record number of 3,000 participants from 62 countries was reached on that occasion, and windows could be opened on any subtopic of crystallographies for the description of the matter at the atomic and molecular levels. In fact, the program spanned from chemistry to physics to biology, mineralogy, material science, methodological approaches, and much more. The latest bulletin of the IUCR, known as IUCR Newsletter, contains an article on Italian crystallography and highlights its recent activities. The school itself is indicated as very relevant. But Italy also hosts other traditional and prestigious events. I like to remind the series of international schools in Erice, Sicily, that regularly attracts students from all over the world, and it has been defined as the jewel in the crown for the crystallographic education. Regular workshops are held in Bari and Martina Franca because the crystallographers there ensure a continuous development of the methodology to solve structures of different dimensions, from small molecules to proteins, and different intrinsic nature from single crystals to powders. Thanks to the work of the previous teaching commission, to which Antonella Guagliardi provides the necessary continuity, a school on the topic of polycrystalline materials was organized in Villingen, Switzerland last year, jointly with the Swiss Crystallographic Association, and it will be repeated the next year. In the middle, there is the School of Camerino that presents also frontier aspects. The title, Scattering Techniques from Microscopic to Atomic Structures, underlines the importance of the new methods to investigate the inner nature of the materials. In fact, X-rays are now accompanied by new sources of highly brilliant radiations to explore surfaces and solids in an unprecedented efficient manner, in particular through the scanning or transmission microscopy. We are facing a new breakthrough after about 100 years of X-ray diffraction. I recall that 2013 will be the centennial anniversary of the first crystal structure determination by Bragg. It was sodium chloride, while the number of solved structures is now approaching about 1 million. Now, exciting techniques, such as, for example, the direct three-dimensional imaging of single non-ordered particles, are becoming available. I wish to mention in this respect its creator, Professor David Sire. Also, for these reasons, the present school has a frontier character. With this, I conclude my message, and I renew my best wishes for a most profitable understanding of the information that the school will provide. Thank you.